I don't know if you can see that stuff floating around in there. It's interesting. I like to sit here and watch the flow patterns, which is real evident today when I modified my high-tech lighting system. I wanted to put that frame together to hold it and yet easily be able to remove it. And I was motivated to do that after dropping that light in today. These two are just sitting there, waiting to drop in. Anyway, I fed my tank today. I fed the system for the first time in a year now. For long-term consumption, I let the sawdust fall into the tank when I pre-drilled the holes for those screws. And man, the sawdust flew. It was interesting to watch the flow patterns. I thought most of it would settle out on the bottom, but it didn't. I do have I have that pump running in there to keep things stirred up, but still, it's a little power head pump. You know, 4-foot long tank. So, what else did I feed it? See that? That is a piece of Parmesan cheese, which would have ended up on our spaghetti. I put a pinch of that in there. There's a few pieces left in the tank itself. There's one. There's a little bit. Most of it ended up here. And that's fine. It'll sit there for a couple months before. Actually, that floss will plug with bacteria probably in slime in a month. I've been changing it about monthly. Anyway, found a happy medium between, I've got both pumps running wide open. Found a happy medium between the run level and that pump chamber. And the run level at the weir. I insist on the top of the water not reaching the top of that cap, because I want the surface tension to break within those slots, and it's doing it. But once the water reaches, I don't want to stick my finger in there. Once the water reaches that plastic level there, the surface tension will not be broken and it won't skim nearly as good. If that makes any sense. Anyway, I think that's how I'm going to run it. It was going to be a reef tank. It was going to have a gross filter section, a skimmer section, a refugium section, but I think that 29-gallon sump tank's going bye-bye, or else I'm going to redo it. So I think we're going with a freshwater tank, a planted tank. Matter of fact, I know we are. Thanks for watching.